How can a simple app transform the way you engage in airdrops, giving you a chance to maximize your earnings with just a few tweaks? Well, that's exactly what we'll dive into today. Let me take you back a few weeks. The news was buzzing about the upcoming launch of CATIZEN Coin on September 20th. Everyone in the crypto community was gearing up, and I, like many of you, had my eye on one thing: the airdrop. The excitement was palpable. But the question that kept popping up was, how can I secure the biggest piece of the airdrop pie? You see, it's not just about luck. There are specific steps you need to follow to position yourself for the best rewards. And today, I'll walk you through everything you need to know. Before we dive in, let's talk about how quickly progress can be made. Some users have reported reaching level 37 and the Platinum League within just 5 days by setting up their account and keeping it running continuously. Your account level plays a major role in determining your airdrop share, so leveling up efficiently is important. While some users take longer to reach this level, others have sped up their progress by spending a small amount, around $6, to buy the auto feature and boost their advancement. But how exactly can you do this, and what steps can you take to achieve similar results? But first, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel yet, you'll find the link in the description. I regularly post puzzle solutions, updates, and all the projects we're working on. Right now, we have 4 to 5 projects launching this month, and we also have a chat channel where you can ask questions and interact. Let's break it down. When it comes to getting the most out of the CATIZEN Coin airdrop, there are a few key factors to keep in mind. The first and most important factor is your hourly earnings, visible in the bot's dashboard. The more you increase your earnings per hour, the larger your airdrop share. Simple, right? But the trick lies in optimizing these earnings. Remember the coinfish you earn by completing tasks? Well, the more coinfish you've consumed in fishing or by buying cats, the higher your airdrop share will be. So, if you're serious about the airdrop, focus on using up as many of those coinfish as possible. If you've been around since the beginning, you might have earned CATIZEN coins back in April during the bot's early launch phase. If you still have some of these coins, they'll give you an edge in the airdrop, boosting your total share. These special coins were available from spins or through purchase in earlier phases. If you've accumulated CATIZEN coins, they can also increase your airdrop share. Recently, new tasks were added to the Earn tab, giving you another opportunity to collect these valuable coins. Now, just earning these factors won't be enough. There are specific conditions you must meet to be eligible for the airdrop, no matter how much you've accumulated. Your rank in the game is critical. At a minimum, you need to be in the Silver League to qualify. This means accumulating at least 1,100,000 CATIZEN coins. Even if you don't spend them, the total count matters. When hit Platinum rank, it significantly improved standing in the airdrop queue. If you're just starting, don't stop at Silver. Try to push yourself to higher leagues like Gold or Platinum to maximize your earnings. Next, you need to link your wallet. This is a crucial step, and it's easy to overlook. You can link your wallet via Telegram or Keeper, but make sure it's fully connected before proceeding. Once your wallet is linked, the next task is to perform a check-in using a small amount of TON, just a few cents. It's a one-time process, but without it, you won't qualify for the airdrop. The steps are simple. Go to the Earn tab, find the check-in task, and complete it using the TON wallet you've connected. This task only costs a tiny fraction of a TON coin, but it's absolutely essential. If you've already linked your wallet, there's more you can do. Every day, new tasks appear in the Earn tab, offering more coinfish. Completing these tasks, such as check-ins with exchanges like Bybit, can help you gather more fish. But be careful. After completing tasks, you'll need to reconnect your main wallet to ensure everything is synced. Now, what's next for CATIZEN Coin? One of the most significant announcements was from OKX, a platform that confirmed CATIZEN Coin would be listed for trading on September 20th at 10 a.m. UTC. Deposits can be made starting from September 9th, 4 p.m. Egyptian time. Trading will begin at 10 a.m., while withdrawals will open on September 21st. So, how do you prepare for this moment? First, ensure your wallet is funded and connected well before these dates. I recommend taking part in the early deposit phase to ensure you're ready when the trading goes live. Getting the most out of CATIZEN's airdrop is all about preparation. Boost your hourly earnings, consume those coinfish, check if you have WCATI or CATIZEN coins, and, most importantly, make sure you're ranked at least in silver and that your wallet is linked. Stay on top of platform announcements, and when the time comes, you'll be ready to maximize your gains. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.